Hello, animal friends. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we dive into the depths of the ocean and explore the possible consequences if one of the key elements of the marine food chain, plankton, were to experience large-scale population declines. The marine food chain is one of the most intricate and amazing balances of nature on the planet. Within it, every organism plays an important role in keeping the marine ecosystem balanced and sustainable. One of the key elements of the marine food chain is plankton, microscopic organisms that float in the waters. But imagine if plankton experienced a large-scale population decline over the next few years. The impacts of this scenario would be far-reaching and impact marine ecosystems and life on land. Plankton and their function in the marine food chain. Plankton are tiny organisms consisting of phytoplankton, photosynthetic organisms, and zooplankton, other plankton-eating organisms. Phytoplankton are the primary producers in the marine ecosystem, performing photosynthesis and producing most of the oxygen we breathe. Zooplankton, on the other hand, are food for fish and other marine animals in the food chain. Food chain disruption. If plankton experience large-scale population declines, the marine food chain will be seriously disrupted. The lack of plankton will lead to food scarcity for fish and other marine creatures that depend on plankton as their main food source. Fish that depend on plankton will face difficulties in finding food, resulting in a decline in their population. Food scarcity and economic disruption. A decline in fish populations caused by a lack of plankton food can impact the fishing industry and fisheries-dependent economies. Fishermen will face difficulties in catching fish, and the supply of seafood for humans will also be affected. Fish scarcity may lead to an increase in seafood prices, impacting the livelihoods of coastal communities dependent on fisheries. Disruption to nutrient and oxygen cycles. Plankton play an important role in nutrient cycling in the ocean. When plankton die, they descend to the seafloor and become a source of nutrients for organisms on the seafloor. A decline in plankton populations can disrupt this nutrient cycle, impacting the sustainability of the marine ecosystem. In addition, phytoplankton also play an important role in producing oxygen through photosynthesis. A decrease in the phytoplankton population can disrupt the oxygen supply in the atmosphere, affecting the entire world and resulting in respiratory problems in creatures across the planet. Domino effect on marine ecosystems. A decline in plankton populations can trigger a domino effect throughout the marine ecosystem. Marine creatures that depend on plankton for food will experience increased pressure, causing changes in community structure and ecosystem harmony. These disturbances can propagate to other species, disrupting the natural balance and biodiversity of the ocean. Conservation efforts and solutions. To avoid the serious consequences of plankton population decline, appropriate conservation measures must be taken. Protection of the marine environment and reduction of pollution are important steps in keeping plankton alive. Public education and awareness about the importance of marine ecosystems can also contribute to maintaining the balance of nature. In an increasingly connected world, it is important for us to recognize that every element in the food chain has an important role. A decline in plankton populations can cause a chain effect that can disrupt marine ecosystems and impact life on land. Through understanding and thoughtful action, we can ensure that marine ecosystems remain balanced and sustainable for generations to come. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with friends who are interested in environmental and sustainability issues. See you in our next video, and let's move together towards a more sustainable future. Thank you for watching.